This is a zero dimension. It's so small that it doesn't even have a size at all. This is a one dimension. It only has length, and this is a two dimension. It has length and breadth. Think of a cartoon. That's a two-dimensional world. And this is the third dimension. We live in a three-dimensional world. It has length, breadth, and height. This is the fourth dimension, represented in 3 dimensions. According to Einstein, the fourth dimension is actually time. If you were a 4-dimensional being, you could time travel as easily as you could walk. I am unable to explain any dimensions beyond the fourth because my brain would literally explode. But you can see the animation of how all the other dimensions look like. Imagine being a 12th dimensional kid and you want to draw all these bizarre shapes on your math test. I feel lucky to be a 3-dimensional being.